lovelies, welcome back to another watch me work video. Today is going to be really quick, cute, classy and simple. So I already did my prep and all that, and then I started to record my acrylic application for you guys. So I'm starting off with my custom made pink acrylic powder, and I'm starting this as my cuticle bead, and I'm just going to lightly feather it up towards the free edge of the extension. Now I'm not building any strength to the free edge of this nail because, as I said, it's going to be a baby boomer, so I do have to go in with my white acrylic powder. So I like to allow the pink to dry before going in with the white. So I'm going to move on to her other nails, complete this process, and I'll meet you guys right back. So while I wait for that pink to set, I'm going to go on to my accent nails. And for my accent nails today, my client wanted my favorite Iridescent Glitter acrylic. And we're not going to mix it with any chunky glitters or anything like that today. We are going to keep it as is. All that I'm going to make sure to do is get full coverage of this glitter on my client's nails so that none of her natural nail plates or her nail bed is exposed in any way. And I did this to her ring finger and her index finger. And then while I wait for this acrylic to set, I'm going to move on to the white for the baby boomer nails. So unfortunately, I only got one clip of that white baby boomer nail for you guys, but I do have a video in depth on how I actually do my baby boomers, and I'll have it on the screen in the cards for you guys right now, so you can click that if you're interested in seeing how I do that. But all that's left for me to do is encapsulate, wait for that acrylic to set, file shape and buff and apply my Ugly Ducklings No Wipe gel top coat. And that was it for this design. Really fast, really cute, really simple, and I just adore this glitter. Like, it is so adorable. So that's it. I'll have a clip of the final result at the end of the video for you guys, as well as a few pictures. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button before you exit. Come on, just click there if you're not yet subscribed. You know what to do. And don't forget to turn your post notifications on. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I will see you soon.